Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel na Raya Thoughts! Guys, ngayon i-introduce ko sa inyo ang ating bagong desk lamp. Pwede rin itong gamitin sa ating mga kwarto, sa mga room. So guys, this is our unboxing. Guys, kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell button below so you are always updated sa aking mga videos. Kaya kung bago lang kayo sa aking channel, subscribe na. Thank you. So guys, I have just any attention for you. Do not over adjusting the joint activity parts to avoid any damage on the lamp, and do not self-disassemble the product to avoid any electric shock, and do not get wet or exposed to rain. So ito naman yung pag-assemble. Napakabilis lang po na itong i-assemble. 3 parts lang po ito at magagamit na natin siya. So, finish my video guys.